Hey, hello! Welcome again to Painting Explorer channel. I am Deni Junaedi. Now I will show you my painting. It is one of my painting in the series of ambiguous figures. My painting in this period raised the issue of visual ambiguities. Sometimes they are called the double image, ambiguous figure, optical illusion, or impossible object. Ambiguous forms will cause the double perception. The title of this painting is Ambiguous Pillars. The ambiguity of this painting is in the pillars. The side part can be the front. It is the side part, it is the front. So, it is the ambiguity area. The material of this painting is oil color on canvas. This painting I made sketch in paper. Okay, that is my paintings. Thank you for watching. I will show you my other ambiguous feature paintings. So, to update my videos, don't forget subscribe Painting Explorer channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.